And so are we. Final semifinal bout on this Tuesday. 76 kilos. Anastasia Apleva in some early trouble, but that is a slip, they say. No points awarded, so we go back to the feet. 12 seconds in. Ayperi met Kızı for Kyrgyzstan in the red.
Paddled by both the mat chair, or mat judge, and the on-mat official. And it'll be 0-0, and we'll come back to the center here.
Aggressive hands from both wrestlers early on. Now into that double leg attack goes Apleva, and she'll finish it for the opening two.
Transitioning here. This double under armbar position, trying to get around. Great, just level change from open into the legs here for Apleva.
О мобильдик операторын тандайсыңбы? Супер! Переходи на О комбо тарифтеринин линейкасы менен андан дагы мыкты болот. Сага гана маанилүүсүн кор. Акысыз комбо опцияларды буташтыр. Гигабайттарды 2 эсе көбөйтүү оңой эле. Wi-Fi таратуу албетте. Яндекс Плюска акысыз жазылуу, тасмалар, музыка, китептер жана таксиге арзандатуулар. Же ар кандай табитке ылайыктуу онлайн кинотеатрлар. Баары акысыз, баары мой о тиркемесинде, баары сен каалагандай.
Apleva with a 2-0 lead. 1 minute into this opening round, the semi-final match. Kyrgyzstan and Ukraine.
Action!
Medet Kızı circling, re-engages.
Open, no fingers, let!
2024 Olympian, when you look at the wrestler in the red for Kyrgyzstan, she lost to Marine at the Olympics, also took a setback to Kennedy Blades in Paris. Again, the low shot instead of a double, settling in on the single is Apleva. Much better job by Medet Kızı here.
Yeah,
she's not out of the woods yet.
Shooting right in off the whistles. Apleva. We got this crotch lift for exposure was confirmed by everybody, putting Ayperi back in the lead here on the tie. She reaches around again, looking to once again get the exposure. Does a great job of just switching her hands and focusing on leveraging up that low leg position. It's funny, you know, I remember wrestling and Ayperi Medet was the young up-and-comer, and now she's one of the veterans here at the World Championships. What a time to be alive, Sean.
And it brings up an interesting point, because really we've seen a changing of the guard with yourself and Gray of the United States, Estonia. Yes, you could go down the list. So is Apleva the next one to come through now, you know, with the legacy that you and some of your other competitors have left behind? A weight that has entertained for so many years. Tied at 2, 30 seconds to go in this opening round.
Apleva has definitely dictated the match here. Once again, just pops the elbows, comes in on the double, gets extended here, but she has proven she's been able to hold on, and she's got those long arms. It just seems so impossible to get around on. Ayperi's just trying to catch that right arm. 8 seconds left. She will get the go behind.
Unanswered points toward the end of the period. The Olympian knows how to do that. And Medet Kızı, despite giving up that early double leg, able to get a little traction late in that.
Been missing out on that elusive gold. She is the face of Kyrgyzstan wrestling at these World Championships. She's standing on the shoulders of giants.
You always have inspirations when you are young as you come up through the ranks, and her big inspiration was Asulu Tanabekova and her run that she had at the London Olympic Games in 2012. Medet Kızı, ever since she hit the senior circuit, she has been putting up Tanabekova type results, which is winning and bringing home a lot of medals back to their beloved Kyrgyzstan.
Action blue. Action red.
So we
Leading
see
by 2.
Yeah, sorry. We see how Ayperi is, left hand on the left wrist of Apleva, just in that collar type position. She's really just trying to slow down the match, slow down the heavy hands and offense of Apleva. We just saw it there. Comes in heavy with the right hand in the front headlock position.
Open.
Pass by foot sweep attempt, drops in on the legs here. Apleva down underneath again. Let's see if she can make the adjustment and come up. We once again have this Olympic lift position for Ayperi Medet. No points scored yet. Great wrestling awareness there from Apleva, coming around on top. We're back in this beautiful scramble. And Medet out of bounds for the 2.
Inside. Blue. Stand up.
She has won the scramble situations. The difference right now.
I'd love to see a replay of that entire scramble situation. Great wrestling from both of these athletes.
6-2, Metakizi
Fingers red.
enjoying her largest lead over Apleva.
No problem.
We hit the 1 minute mark. The winner into the gold medal match tomorrow night at 76 kilos. Apleva down 4, working off the collar. Comes into that double, drives her near the edge and gets the step out point. So good work there by Apleva. It all starts with that heavy club, that heavy hand on the collar. That's a couple of times now she's been able to get to the double leg attack.
Yeah, exactly. You see the difference in the proximity in which Medet feels comfortable. She wants to close the distance, bring Apleva into her. But every time Apleva has been able to break 3, get a full extension of her arm, she's dropped in for those doubles and almost went just like that. We see her in on the single leg. But again, Metakizi just such a great job of stuffing that shot. She's got her hands gripped. She's looking here for the pin.
She has the cradle hooked up. Apleva able to roll through, but damage inflicted. And it will be Ayperi Metakizi a chance to wrestle for world gold. One more burst of energy puts her over on her back, and that is going to be it. A frantic finish in this one, but it goes toward Metakizi. 10-5, your final. And Metakizi will have a chance to win her first world gold. She came so close in Belgrade 2 years ago.